just received my Travis Scott package in the mail. Now let's go ahead and unbox this thing for you guys and show you what maybe you have in store waiting for you if you order some Travis Scott. Let's get into it. So we got the package right here. Let's go ahead and open it up, see if it's dope, see if we are loving it. Alright. There we go. Oh, it's got the logo right here. Is actually 3D effect. It's puffy. It's got a puff to it. See that right there? Let's go ahead and open this thing up. Go ahead and throw this back right here. And bam. Wow. We got Travis Scott. It feels like it's a pretty good quality shirt. I ain't gonna be lying, it's pretty good. Graphics pretty dope. I'm a little excited about the quality. It's a little bit better than what I expected. It's a good stock, it's a good blank. And we also have the Cactus Jack right in there. See if we can go, yeah. So there we have it. Cactus Jack. Let's go ahead and throw this thing on for you guys. Alright, so it's got a real boxy fit to it. It's a real boxy fit. Let's go ahead and take a look at the back. So what y'all think? What y'all think? There we go. Ba 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 ba. To be honest with you, man, I cannot believe I'm wearing a McDonald's shirt. What am I doing with my life? But anyways, thanks for checking out the video. Stay tuned for more dope exclusives. I got a lot of stuff coming, so stay tuned. Thanks for watching. Peace.